This is the S&P 500 Spider ETF SPY one-day reading for December 18th, 2024. It's currently December 12th, 2024, 7:25 p.m. Eastern Time. This is an unedited version of our daily readings. In order for us to catch up, it became necessary to put up these unedited raw videos, so I apologize for the quality, but the information is definitely more important in getting it out on time. So with that said, the overall theme of behavior for the day, we have a big move to the upside, reaching for distant resistance. And it looks like that probably turns around at some point. It might be that we had this move to the upside overnight. Behavior around the high side, the Magus card indicating a lot of price change into and or out of the high, marking a good trade opportunity. It's also within close, the high is also within close time proximity to the day's low. Notable rally out of the day's low. We likely see the day's low more than once, and there should be an important technical price level on a 1 month chart scale highlighted near the lows. Guys, hopefully you're not actually trying to trade this information without the Discord trade alerts and live trading view chart links, because really those are game-changing services that allow you to be successful doing this. Like, it's without those services, it becomes very difficult, even when we know up and down. And anybody that's traded this information and saw us be right about ups and down probably knows what I mean. It's not as simple as it looks. So don't be hasty, guys. It's well worth it to get that service. I'll show you how to do that at the end of the video. So in the pre-market, we have a notable move to the upside, reaching for a distant resistance level. It's probably a move. We probably open lower in the pre-market and have this big move to the upside to a high. So like out of a low to a high at a key resistance level, and then right around the open, we likely have like a sharp drop into another low, and then a move higher followed by a full retracement. Near that low, out of the low, we have an unexpected move starting somewhere between 9:30 and 10 and continuing into the 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock hour, where we have a breakout, at least temporarily, at a key technical price level on a 1 month chart scale minimum. And then it looks like that rally turns over there, and there's a sharp drop back to day's low at a key technical price level. Actually, this is most likely going to be a lower low and a key technical price level on a 1 month scale there. Probably anywhere between 1 and 3 o'clock, but probably right around the 2 o'clock hour. And then out of that low, there's a notable move higher to really stand out on a probably more than just a 1 day chart. Pretty bullish from that low, with a really big move between the 2 to 3 o'clock hour, and then more movement to the upside, reaching for distant resistance again into the close. So overall, this looks like a pretty bullish day. But the nullified failure card, the failure card is a cross-reading congruency here for the 18th, but it's nullified. So likely we see this sharp drop here. This is probably a very pronounced drop, being that it's cross-reading congruency, but it's nullified. So this big move here probably is just as much, or if not bigger, to the upside, counteracting that trade. So what I would look to do is open up a partial short here around the open, add to that short here at a false breakout through a key technical price level, and then I'd close that short when we decline to a lower low than we had in the morning, somewhere around 2 o'clock. At that time, I would open up a long. Yeah, at that time, I would open up a long, and I would look to close the long the following day here around this ace of discs, another cross-reading congruency. And that's SPY for December 18th, 2024. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys how to get the early access subscription. So you go to our website, terrafortraders.com. which very likely when you're watching this video, it may have already been changed to stockmarketpsychic.com, but we'll have a redirect there. In any case, you go there to order now, hover over order now, click on subscriptions. Early access here gets you the earliest access you can get to all of the public posts that come out on YouTube. So the public version of the monthlies and all of the S&P 500 stuff. It also gets you access to the S&P 500 or SPY Discord trade alerts and the trading view charts. Like here's an idea of what our alerts look like. First off, you have links to all the videos. It's a lot easier to find this stuff. But like, December 12th, we could have a false breakout here at 1:10 or 1:01 p.m. So right around there was a little bit late. I said 101. I said it at 101, and basically it looked like we were going to break out. Instead, we declined. I probably closed shorts in the last hour of trading. This is at 3:12. Probably closed shorts in the last hour of trading near the close. Look to open longs towards the end of the day tomorrow. Actually, hold on. I checked again, and then I said yes. The prudent thing is to close shorts in the last hour. Tomorrow is erratic, most likely revisiting a high and a low of some kind. And technically, you could open a partial long here in anticipation of the morning of the 16th. But I say partial because you'll make money if you do that now, but we might have a better opportunity near the end of day tomorrow. I think we probably see the lows from the 12th again on the 13th. I don't think we'll go much lower than that though. But this was all solid information. If you look at a chart, people ask me questions all day long. Is there a big drop tomorrow? Good morning. What's the most probable location for today's low? I said end of day. That was in the morning, my friends. And what do we have at end of day today? If you're wondering, that was based on this. My prediction saying end of day to low for the day. It was based on this picture here. This was created October 15th, 2024, 12:22 p.m. Eastern Time. Almost just 3 days shy of 2 months. 2 months in advance, my friends. We're just so behind actually posting these things because of the amount of work it takes to do the editing. But with that said, that's how you get that early access. Click on subscribe. $60 a month, $600 for the year gets you access to all of the S&P 500 stuff that we do. Or you could take it up a notch, guys, and you could go for the monthly access, which gets you all of the stuff early access includes, and the paid versions, Discord trade alerts, and trading view chart links for all of these tickers here: Apple, Amazon, Bitcoin, Gold, Google, Meta, Nvidia, Oil, SHIB, Sol, Theta, Tesla, VIX, XRP. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.